In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Drive like a pro using keyboard shortcuts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive homepage. Just type in drive.google.com into your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized, ready for you to access. Next, let's open the settings. Look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a little gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. It's in this menu that you'll find a variety of options to customize your Google Drive experience, but today we're focusing on one specific feature, keyboard shortcuts. Now, from the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. Click that, and a new window will pop up. This window is incredibly handy. It displays a comprehensive list of all the keyboard shortcuts you can use while you're navigating through Google Drive. This list includes shortcuts for creating new documents, moving between folders, searching your drive, and a whole lot more. To get familiar with these shortcuts, you can take a moment to browse through them. You'll be amazed at how much these little commands can speed things up. For example, did you know that by pressing C, you can instantly create a new document? Or, if you want to quickly search for a file, just hit Shift-Z. It's also great to know that if you need to go back or move forward in your folders, shortcuts like Alt-left arrow and Alt-right arrow are at your fingertips. Here's a little tip. If you ever forget these shortcuts while you're working, you can bring up this shortcut menu at any time without having to dive back into the settings. Simply press Shift/ or the question mark key on your keyboard. This will reopen the same window displaying all those shortcuts, letting you easily glance over them as you work. So, let's recap what we've covered. Open your Google Drive and access the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Keyboard Shortcuts from the drop-down menu. Once you have that window open, spend a few moments exploring all the shortcuts available to you. And remember, if you ever need a refresher while you're working, just press Shift/ and the shortcuts will appear once again. That's it for today's tutorial on Google Drive keyboard shortcuts. I hope you found this information helpful. Implementing these shortcuts into your daily tasks can really increase your productivity and make your workflow much smoother. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.